Well, up until today, we couldn't use our front door. We couldn't get in or out because it had been screwed shut because somebody tried to break in. See that? This door is really beat up. So today, we are taking the door out and putting in a new one, which was already here. So that's awesome because that was a free door right there.
Or a $130,000 door, depending on how you look at it.
That's true. We're also meeting with the HVAC guy and the electrician today to see what they say and get a quote from them. We're probably going to be putting in central heating and air in this house and possibly replacing the breakers because they are super old. It's also a good thing we're replacing the front door today because we only have one key to this house and I may or may not have left it at home today. So we may or may not have had to climb through the doggy door. So now we'll have more than one key and we can keep one in each car that will allow us to not forget the key all the time because this is a regular occurrence. Now we have a door, yay! So we had an HVAC guy and an electrician come over and we chatted about all that stuff today. It was really informative. And there were a couple of things we learned about permits because permits for renovation are completely different than permits for a new home, which we have experience with new home but not with renovation. So we are planning on pulling out permits for this. You can demo things, no problem, but before you put anything back together, you need to permit it. We did find out from the lady that siding does not have to be permitted, which is why we went ahead and started installing the siding first. But we were planning on doing our own electrical, or at least some of it. And we learned that in a renovation, if you are not going to move into the house, if it's for someone else or you're just going to flip it like we are doing, then you cannot do your own electrical work. You have to hire a licensed electrician. So that will add a little bit of unexpected cost to this renovation for us. Just so everybody knows, there's kind of two different places you have to go for permits. Because our house is in city limits, then we go to the city for all of our renovation permits, but then you also have to go through L&I for your electrical permit. We will be pulling permits very, very soon, and I will let you know how that process goes and how much it ends up costing us for permits for this renovation house. See you guys soon.